Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get and set up the XC IPTV app to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is getting the app called Downloader to your Firestick. So if you already have Downloader on your device and it is fully set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have the loader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course just follow me. So we have to go to search on the Firestick, open the search bar right here and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You just click on it and here's the app, which you have to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because still you have to set it up. So now to actually set up the loader, we go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. And now from here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in your case. And in my case, as you can see, it says that I am a developer now because I had this option turned on in the past. So now just go back and you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the 8-bit debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here what you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we go back to a list of apps near Firestick. Here it is, open it, wait a moment until it loads, and now there is the downloader, which we got. But before actually using the downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And that's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. So let's say I will connect to Denmark right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So now we just go back to a list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Let's open it, and it's time to start using downloader now. So we open downloader, open the search bar, and here we just have to enter a code, which is going to be 640 649-789. So again, it's 649-789. That's the code you have to enter. Make sure to enter it without making any mistakes. Then click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now in a couple of moments, the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. So just wait until the app gets fully installed. Then click install, and after that don't click open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And now, if we go back to a list of apps on your device, here it is, let's open it. And now there, at the bottom, you will finally see the XC IPTV application. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's finally go and open the XC IPTV app on your Fire TV stick. Here it is. Wait a moment until it loads. And now from here at the top, you have to enter the XCM code, which was given to you by your IPTV provider, then a username and a password. Alternatively, you can go to settings at the bottom of this page, and then instead of XCM codes, you can use AZA MeTech API, Fasta Cloud, or M3U URL, as well as IPTV accounts. So just select any of those options that work for you and enjoy. So see you next time. Bye bye.